we got to diagnose another problem on our our 2015 Chevy Traverse. It seems like all of our vehicles, like this make and model, have this same front end problem. We don't know what it is though. Anyway, we got to. I'm gonna hit the brakes right quick, and I'm gonna show you what happens. See that? That's not me, folks. Replaced the rotors on both sides on the front end, and it's gotten worse and worse. So we don't know exactly what it is. We're going to diagnose it today. We think it might be the slides need greasing, so we're going to grease them on the calipers, and maybe it won't do this. It's awful. Collapse the caliper, and I'm going to take this lid off the brake fluid so it doesn't push the brake fluid out. The caliper has to move back and forth. We're going to grease it up. These are 13 millimeter caliper bolts that we're going to loosen up in the back here. Well, top and bottom. Use the C-clamp to collapse the caliper.
Let's get scratching.
I'm going to pull this slide out, see if it's dry. If it is, we're going to grease it up. It's got that little lip coming with it.
Okay.
Just as I suspected, bone dry. So look at here. Grease it up. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, that went in so much easier. Should we get this excess out? Yeah. Why don't we?
Test filming.
Oh, get down thing. Pump your brakes, pump them over and over again before you ever go anywhere. Pump them, pump, 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 pump. Yeah. Because air got into the line when you did that. You don't want that. And it's good exercise. When we collapse the caliper, and then we had to pump the brakes, or the car won't start. Stop.